Hi everyone, Keith Arkberg Farms, and it is tool testing time again. We're going to test out this weird thing that actually works way better than I ever would have anticipated. It's rather surprising. So let me show you. Now, the bed leveling rake comes pretty secure. It's hooked together with a bunch of zip ties. That is the bottom of the handle. And the next two pieces are the top part of it. There's also some instructions and a tool that comes with it. Now, typically, I really don't like handles that are pieced together like this because they always feel wobbly. But this actually ends up very nice and secure. The main part of the body appears to be made of anodized aluminum of some kind, but it's very, very easy to put together. The nut and washer was there. All you have to do is take the bolt out, put it back in, get a couple wrenches. It does come with an included wrench, but I prefer to use good tools. We just tighten this thing down, and within literally like 2 to 3 minutes, it's put together and ready to go out in the field. Just simple as that. So here it is in all its glory. It's literally just a flat pan, metal pole. It appears to be aluminum, I believe. It's pretty lightweight, and I believe that's what it said on the box. It just has flat tines on the bottom of it, some reinforcing on top, where it'll kind of pick up soil at the front and the back as you go. It does do a fairly decent job knocking out the high spots on a bed as opposed to using a landscape rake. Pull you in closer so you can kind of see what it's doing. But first, don't forget to head over to arkenbergfarms.com, digital tools and training. Scroll down the bottom of our homepage. We got all kinds of cool stuff down there. We got our ultimate supply sheet down there. Download that for free. We've got our site openers for sale, also custom printed jang rollers, and all kinds of cool spreadsheets to help run your farm more efficiently. So go check it out. If you just work it back and forth, just kind of distributes the soil around. Like I said, knocks down the high spots and kind of drops it into place. Actually somewhat impressed on how well this thing's actually working. So we can go fairly quickly from this uneven substrate down here. It was freshly tilled in with just a little bit of forward and back motion, letting the weight of the tool do the work. A fairly flat bed. Actually not too bad at all. And it is also 30 inches wide, which makes it top the bed off just perfectly so you can kind of see how far you've worked it down. And use it like a rake even to pull the stubble off the top. Now again, all in all, I am fairly surprised how good this thing works for this purpose. It's a little wet in here, but not too bad, but it did a great job leveling off the bed. Now, Vevor did send this for me to try at no cost to me. I'm not being paid for the endorsement. I like it. Would I go out and buy it? I don't know. I already have 2 landscape rakes and a flat rake and everything else, but I can see where this could have a really good purpose on some people's farms, especially with no-till, spreading compost, things like that. It'd probably work great. For me, it's a great experiment, great test. Always love testing stuff out. So if you know of anybody else that has tools they want to test to see how they work on a market garden, go ahead and have them get a hold of me. I'll test them out. So as always, hope you all liked what you saw today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.